Join me as I visit one of the new businesses in town, Shawarma Grill. Oh wow! So how has it been since you set up shop in Airdrie? Doing well?
It's getting a lot better.
Ah,
This week we're like slow down a little bit, but usually after like 5 we get busy.
yeah, of course,
Yeah.
evenings and people need to grab something to eat. This is a lovely setup. Welcome to Airdrie. So my question for you is, why did you choose Airdrie to start?
Um, I think it's because there's a lot of diversity here, and I feel like to start like a authentic food
Okay.
situation
Oh, I
would
love
really help introduce new foods to different people.
I love that.
Yeah.
And which of your menu would you recommend that Airdrie residents try out? Is there a signature dish that you think Airdrie residents should try out?
The one that has all three of the meats, so chicken, lamb, beef, and don't
Ah, this
yeah.
one?
So that one
Okay.
has like a little bit of everything.
Okay. Okay, and that's the one I'm going to try today.
Yeah.
Could I please order that?
Yeah.
And something tells me Mohammed is a mommy's boy. Mohammed, something tells me you're a mommy's boy. Your heart tells me you're a mommy's boy. Oh, holding this. What's that? What's that? Okay, you do that. Yes, please. Paprika and pepper are about the same, so no, thank you. And that's all, yes, thank you. And that looks so good. Wow, you can see the juice. Yes, I do hot sauce as well. No. No, not sweet sauce. This is good. I know. Thank you. I can't wait to release it. Introduce yourself real quick.
I'm Umar. I manage this place.
That's awesome. Nice to meet you, Umar. And Mohammed. Nice to meet you, Mohammed. And thank you for serving my food today. And
I'm Marisha,
Rish-
the owner's wife.
yes, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Airdrie residents, this is Shawarma Grill. They are relatively new to Airdrie, just opened shop about 2 months ago in Airdrie. If you haven't stopped by, please do. I'll put the address of this place in the caption of my post. Come support local. This is local. You know how big I am with supporting local businesses, so come, let's support our own.